for this trip. Here I already downloaded every Netflix film possible. So now we're either gonna chill or just sleep. Also, since we're in New York, it's a good time to mention that I have a 97 average, so that my mom's gonna get me something, you know, nice, very nice.
Cause baby, in your absence, life is boring, so I'll never leave. It's easier to love when it's you by my side, shining through the cracks like the first morning light, feeling like a child through the days and the nights.
They're interviewing people and they're not asking me. I'm gonna walk in front of them, so I might be on the news today. Finally!
I can feel love from miles away. And the light in your eyes tells me stories of life in a more perfect place where I wanna stay. It's easier to love when it's you by my side, shining through the cracks like the first morning light, feeling like a child through the days and the nights, living in your arms as years go by. It's easier to love, oh, easier to love, oh. If the sky is falling down on me, you'll be the one that's by my side to lift away from me. And if I find myself in reckless days, you'll be the one to pull me back into reality.
So we're at Grand Central now. Oh, we just came out of the subway and it's so dangerous nowadays. Like, the police had to tell us to not put our phones in our backpack pockets, and that we're subjected to random searches. Oh, this is so nice. Basically, be very careful because there are pickpockets everywhere and guns. There was this homeless guy just begging for food and money, and I thought he was gonna be like gonna shoot us because he's like, God bless you, have a safe trip, and he was like being really sketchy. So I don't know, it's so dangerous nowadays.
What's it like inside your mind, my dear? And could you find it terrifying there? You always let me know, you always let me go my way.
Sorry to ruin the flow of the video, but this is also a part of the New York aesthetic. The city is flooded with trash, but you know what? At least the trash bags are branded, so it's even more defining. It's also insanely crowded and filled with smoke. Now let's get back to going to my favorite bookstore in the city.
Never let it show my deed. My what's it like inside
Just look at that girl. She's just staging everything and thinking she belongs. Honestly, I was gonna apply to NYU Film School and I even came up with the whole script and everything, but like, just take a look. It took me 45 takes to do one line. That's how bad I am. Before we part, there's one thing I need to tell you. I'm right outside your place, and why are you not accept me yet? We're at Washington Square Park right now, and I was here like early August last year, and it was not as crazy as this. I went here like early in the morning, and it was so nice. But today it's crazy. It's in the afternoon, and they sold weed here. It smells terrible. New York smells like garbage and weed. That's it. Guess where we're at? Cornelia Street. You know who lives on Cornelia Street and just graduated from NYU? A doctor. No tourists here for no reason. It's an iconic house. Why?
I never walk Cornelia Street again.
Taylor Swift lived opposite to a ratty restaurant for no reason. I love you, Taylor, but your judgment, I don't know. Much chicken for $6. Oh my god. New York portion. It's so good. That is a long line.
You entangled in a chimera.